1953 Ford F-100. Pickup. A frame-off restored icon of American grit. The 1953 Ford F-100 pickup stands as a timeless symbol of American craftsmanship, honest work, and enduring design. Born in an era when trucks were built to serve farms, construction sites, and small businesses across the nation, this particular example has been meticulously frame-off restored, bringing a legendary workhorse back to life with authenticity, character, and mechanical integrity. This truck represents more than just metal and machinery. It is a living piece of history. From the moment Ford introduced the F-Series in the late 1940s, it quickly became the backbone of America's growing post-war economy. By 1953, the F-100 had evolved into a more refined yet still rugged pickup, blending durability with improved comfort and styling. A true frame-off restoration. What truly sets this 1953 Ford F-100 apart is its frame-off restoration, a process that involves disassembling the truck down to its bare frame and rebuilding it piece by piece. Every component is inspected, restored, refurbished, or replaced where necessary to ensure the truck is not only visually stunning but mechanically sound. The chassis was stripped and refinished to factory-correct standards, providing a solid foundation for decades of future enjoyment. The body panels were carefully aligned, repaired, and finished to showcase the classic lines that made the early F-Series so iconic: bold fenders, a strong hood profile, and that unmistakable upright grille that defines early 1950s Ford trucks. Powertrain: Ford 215 CI inline-6. Under the hood sits the Ford 215 cubic-inch inline-6 engine, a power plant known for its simplicity, reliability, and smooth operation. While it may not boast high horsepower figures by modern standards, this engine was engineered to work hard and last long. Exactly what a pickup truck was meant to do. The inline-6 delivers steady torque, making it ideal for cruising back roads, attending car shows, or enjoying relaxed weekend drives. Its straightforward mechanical design makes maintenance easy and reinforces the truck's authentic, vintage driving experience. This engine tells a story of a time when reliability mattered more than speed, and engineering focused on longevity rather than excess. 3-speed manual transmission, pure driving engagement. Paired with the engine is a 3-speed manual transmission, offering a direct and engaging connection between driver and machine. Every shift feels deliberate, mechanical, and satisfying, a reminder of an era before automation took over driving. This transmission complements the inline-6 perfectly, delivering smooth power delivery and reinforcing the truck's utilitarian roots. Driving this F-100 is not about rushing. It's about enjoying the rhythm of the road, listening to the engine, and appreciating the tactile experience of classic motoring.